Hello, welcome to Sandy's Reiki Care. Do you all wish to be healthy and happy? I'm sure everyone wants that. So today I'm going to share the secrets of Japanese people, how they remain healthy and happy. When a survey was taken, Japanese people were supposed to be the healthiest and the happiest people. Men's life expectancy was to be 81 years and for women it was 87 years. That was a great achievement by the Japanese people of their living style. This is what I'm going to share, how they have been able to achieve this. What is the secret behind it? So the first secret that I'm going to tell you is their diet. Their diet is very healthy. They consume abundant fruits and vegetables. They have plant-based foods. They have lots of whole grains. Then they also have seafood. Then they have fish. All these things provide them with lot of fiber, nutrients, vitamins, and that keeps all the diseases away from their body. Another great secret of Japanese people is their habit of taking green tea. Green tea ritual is followed in Japan. This green tea it is a powerhouse of antioxidants. So it boosts their brain function. It reduces inflammation in the body. So that keeps them again healthy. And another thing connected to this green tea ritual is every Japanese learns mindfulness and patience with this ritual. Third important secret of Japanese person. They believe in hara hashibu. What is hara hashibu? Nothing but just mindful eating. They believe eat only it when you're hungry, just have 80% of stomach full. Don't fill your stomach 100%. Leave it empty, 20% leave it empty. And this is the way. They don't believe in stuffing their stomachs. And whenever they eat their food, they savor every bite and they eat their food with a lot of gratitude. They thank God for the food that they've got on the table. Another great secret of Japanese. You must have heard the word ikigai. What is ikigai? Ikigai is reason for being. It teaches Japanese to seek fulfillment by aligning their passion, their mission, their vocation, their profession. And that is why when they align it with all this, every day becomes a joyful day. Whatever activity they do it joyfully. This another great secret Japanese believe in is to live with nature. They believe in forest bathing. Forest bathing doesn't mean that they go in the forest and they take a bath there. No. Forest bathing is they love to stay under the trees, the forest. That helps them to stay healthy and happy because they believe in active living. They believe in mental engagements and they believe in strong social ties. This keeps them fit and content. They always treasure their roots. They like to follow their tradition and their culture, and they are very proud of their culture. So, what do we understand? What are their secrets? The first we understood was balanced diet that they follow, which is the pillar of their health. Then is their green tea ritual, which is the sip of tranquility. Then is their hara hachibu, that is what is mindful eating that they do. Then they have Ikigai, which is discovering your passion. Then they have love for nature. Then another thing, secret, they have very strong social bonds, which is the heart of happiness for them. You will see even 3, 4 generations of families living together. All this embodies harmony, order, and self-improvement in their life. So if we want to have this kind of healthy living, we need to follow the secrets of these Japanese people. I am sure our lives would be transformed if we follow their secrets. And if we want to be achieving these goals, there is no other way but to follow these secrets. So let's imbibe these secrets in our life and have a very fulfilling life. I hope you have liked this video. Do share it with your friends and let them also know the secrets so that they can also enjoy a very fulfilling life. Thank you and bye for now.